Hi guys, it's me. A projector that refuses to dim its personality just arrived on the screen. The Epson PowerLight L570U. A lean, bright, laser-driven display machine dressed in white, ready to be mounted overhead like the king of big visuals. It doesn't brag with flashy design, it simply performs. A lot of projectors crumble when sunlight enters the room. This one laughs at ambient light. With 5,200 lumens exploding from its core, even bright spaces feel like perfect venues for breathtaking projection. The screen doesn't fade. It stays bold and clear, which means no more struggling to see during daytime meetings or weekend gatherings. Color is handled with confidence thanks to 3 LCD projection. Every shade looks full, every highlight sits comfortably in the picture, and the image keeps its balance. None of that annoying single-chip rainbow streaking. Just smooth color accuracy that keeps movies natural, graphics sharp, and presentations honest. Resolution is wuxka, giving you 1920 by 1200 pixels in a 1610 format. A little extra vertical space always feels good when you're working with spreadsheets or trying to fit more details on the screen. It still plays movies beautifully while serving productivity with extra breathing room. Feed it 4K sources and the projector doesn't flinch. Detail enhancement brings out texture and fine lines so the picture stays refined and polished. There's a sense of depth and structure even on giant screens stretching past 200 or 300 inches. Setup becomes easier thanks to adaptable lens controls. Whether the mount isn't perfectly centered or the room isn't shaped like a traditional rectangle, tools like lens shift, optical zoom, and keystone adjustments get everything aligned. A massive image finally feels simple to achieve. This projector doesn't hide from serious environments. HDMI and network connections allow total control whether it's being used in an auditorium, enterprise office, school, or home media room. Network management lets IT teams monitor and adjust remotely, saving time and effort. Inside, a laser light engine replaces outdated bulbs. Up to 20,000 hours of shining bright without worrying about maintenance schedules or expensive lamp swaps. Just power on and let the magic glow. Since laser projection stays consistent over time, image quality doesn't slowly fade away like traditional lamps do. Text looks sharp enough to cut through distance. Dramatic scenes and colorful animations feel alive. Whether it's an action sequence in full motion or a detailed chart full of important data, this projector handles everything with precision and confidence. Sound is included, but this projector knows its star quality is visual. External speakers or a proper audio system make the full experience shine. A theater needs real sound, so pairing it with a soundbar or audio setup builds the perfect entertainment space. So who benefits from the Epson PowerLight L570U? Anyone needing a next-level brightness upgrade. Anyone sick of washed-out budget projectors. Anyone ready to broadcast clear, cinematic images without the need to turn off every light in the building. Conference leaders, educators, gamers with big ambitions, and home theater dreamers will feel right at home here. This device represents a future where projection doesn't rely on darkness, where a massive display becomes the most adaptable part of your tech setup. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLight L570U 3 LCD projector 1610 ceiling mountable white, then please visit the link provided in the description. Bright, reliable, laser-powered. The kind of display that transforms a room into an experience.